Hello there, and welcome back to Seven-Figure Mastery. In this module, today, we'll be learning more about Google AdWords, one of the many available paid traffic generation methods out there. Google AdWords is Google's own paid advertising service, which allows one to place search results for your own website or landing page on Google search engine results page by paying a certain amount. Google AdWords is one of the easiest and practical ways to generate traffic to your landing page. Contrary to popular belief, the steps to it are actually quite simple and aren't as pricey as some people perceive it to be. Your advertisements with Google AdWords will be displayed on the SERP, together with all the other paid and unpaid listings of the search engine. These type of ads are positioned above the unpaid listings in the SERP. They look quite similar to the original search results, with the exception of a small green ad label on the listing itself next to the web link. Selecting the relevant keywords to direct the audience to your landing page is key to advertising with Google AdWords. As the advertiser, you select a keyword that a searcher might type in when they search for their particular interest on the Google search engine. Then you create an advert that will appear on the SERP based on the keyword or words you choose. Bear in mind, however, that you're not the only company wanting to serve adverts for that particular keyword or keywords. Other companies with the similar niche will also bid for a spot in the SERP. Hence, you would have to compete against other marketers out there to be the highest bid in terms of cost per click, or CPC. However, it's not just the highest bid for CPC that's taken into account for the projection of your ad. Google also measures your ad by its quality score. Before we get into the specifics, one should understand the meaning of the term cost per click. It refers to the amount you're willing to pay for every click you get on your Google AdWords advert. Now, let's understand the basics of bidding. Google allows one to pay the maximum bid amount of their chosen keyword. One can also select the automatic bidding option if they have to adhere to a tight budget. Here, Google will automatically select the bid amount for you within your budget, which is known as maximum cost per click bid, and bring you the most possible clicks within your budget. There is no fixed rule when it comes to the bid amount you should be paying for your clicks. At the end of the day, your bid is dependent on three important factors, which are the type of campaign you're aiming for, the cost of your keywords, the success rate of your keywords. To have a clearer understanding on how much you should spend on your bidding price, let's look at this example. Let's say you own a clothing line shop and you make $10 from every purchase. You see on average that 1 in 10 visits results in a purchase. If you set a maximum amount of the CPC bid to $1, you'll break even. Advertising costs equal sales. Therefore, to gain profit, your CPC should cost you less than $1, which means you would want to set your maximum bidding amount lesser than $1. Hence, choose a bid amount that works for you and the campaign that you're aiming for. There's also another factor that you've got to take account of after you've determined your bidding amount, and that's the quality score. Before your keywords can reach the SERP, Google will evaluate the relevance and the usefulness of your selected keywords for ads. This is to ensure that your keywords are relevant to the users. Google also looks into the quality of your landing page. For example, if the user types in Converse sneakers and your advert says, "Purchase your Converse here," once they click on your ad, they would expect to be directly led to a landing page selling Converse sneakers and not a generic home page, which the searcher doesn't want. This is Google's way of ensuring that they provide users with the best possible quality results. Again, you should take into account that a higher bid for an AdWord does not necessarily buy you your SERP display success. As a matter of fact, even if your rival's bid is higher, it's entirely possible that you appear above their ad as you've got a better ad quality score. A better quality score for your ads with Google AdWords actually results in lower CPC rates than an ad with a higher quality score.